Here I have PRESTIGIO MultiPad Ranger. Let me show you how to enable the Unkown Sourcers on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let's tap apps icon right here. Let's find and select the settings. Let me scroll down to the personal tab and choose security. Afterwards, under the device administration, you should find Unkown Sources. Let's use the selector next to this option. Read the warning on the screen and tap OK to confirm it. Excellent, you just allow installation of apps from Unkown Sources, so everything went well. You can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.